So if you want to learn how to withdraw money from Rakuten in 2026, yeah, this is the full step-by-step guide to cash out your earnings easily. First, log into your Rakuten account using the app, website, or browser extension. Next, open the cashback or rewards section where your earnings are shown. Now make sure your cashback is confirmed and available for withdrawal, not still pending. Next, select your payout method like PayPal or mailed check depending on your region. Now connect your PayPal account or confirm your payment details if needed. Next, click the withdraw or redeem button to request your payout. Now wait for processing, which can take a few days depending on the method. Finally, your money will arrive in your PayPal account or as a check in the mail. If your payment is delayed, check if your cashback is still pending or contact Rakuten support. And that's it. That's how you withdraw money from Rakuten step by step in 2026.